Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's important to make sure your dog gets the proper nutrients, and that's why I really like this Canidae Pure Goodness dog food. Now, this comes in a lot of different flavors, and the flavor that Jazzy prefers is the salmon, and it's really good for her overall heart health, joint health, and her skin. Because she has so much fur, a lot of times she gets a little itchy. There's a lot of food out there where it has chemicals and then causes a lot of other issues for your pet, and this is all wholesome grains, all natural. It is it's like it says, it's pure and it's good. And Jazzy definitely really loves it. It says it has real salmon in there. It supports healthy immune systems and just it's everything that you need. And I think it's important for any dog owner who wants their puppy to grow up healthy and strong. And that's our point of view.